Hi there, hope you're all doing well. It's another short one this week with the Mummified Undead Showcase Army with a little bit of lore drop. I'm still finishing off decorating the room, so next week I should be back to painting as normal. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been hobbying on. The Mummified Undead are large armies of skeletons and animated constructs led by mighty high kings and queens. Their loyal priests raise the dead and imbue some stone statues with magic to fight alongside them. Once upon a time, Tyria was ruled by a king that had managed to imprison the Havoc gods in a magical orb. This king had two sons, both spoiled and arrogant, who once the father died, fought over the throne and destroyed the orb. With a massive magical explosion, the orb shattered the world and created a massive rift across the land, splitting the continents in half and dividing the two brothers. From this deep wound in the heart of Tyria, the hordes of the foul beast poured into the open, and so began the Demon Wars invasion from below.